Greetings and welcome to PinballHelp. Mike here. Work is continuing on this Bram Stoker's Dracula and the repairing of the 20-volt line that powers the motor and the flashers in this. And if you watched the previous video, we discovered the problem was on the driver board. So my plan was to remove the driver board and bring it to be serviced. But of course there's another little glitch. Let me show you one of the most infuriating things that other repair tech people do. So I'll go to pull the driver board out of the game, and what do I see but this guy has soldered wires to the board so that I can't remove the board from the game. If I want to service this board, I have to hunch over this thing dangling in the machine, which you know, that's not acceptable. Why can't this thing stop turning? Okay. So that really does suck, because the board where I'm going to be working on things is at another location, so I was going to pull this and go over there. So now I have to desolder this crap. I don't know if I'm just going to cut it or I'm just going to desolder it. I think I'll just try to heat it up and pull them off. I'll take some pictures of it, note where the things were, and then I'm going to have to come back and I'm going to re-pin some connectors probably. It's a 7-pin and a 9-pin connector there apparently. So, that sucks. Please don't do this. Don't. I know this might have been an operator. Obviously it was probably an operator. I don't know a homeowner that would do something like this, but just get a new connector. It's 20 cents. Why do that? So once again, a little repair. Snow job's into a much bigger deal, so I will get on that now. I have to do that as well, but hopefully we'll get this thing working. So stay tuned for more. Stay tuned for the next part, I guess it is. And be sure to subscribe to me on YouTube. It's YouTube/PinballHelp. Thanks a lot. Catch you later.